Hello friends. So today we are going to see the last set of simplification which is based on fractions. Again in this fractions today we are going to see how do we solve the questions of simplification based on fractions for multiplication as well, subtraction and multiplication, both models we will see. So to explain about the subtraction, we have basically two models, two cases in this case. For example, if the numerator is less than the denominator, the second case, numerator is greater than the denominator. So in first case, let us see how to solve with example so that it will be easy for us to remember. Imagine if there is a problem given to you like this: 5 minus 4 by 7. What generally we do? We do take LCM of 7. 7 multiplied with 5, it becomes 35, and then minus 4. So it is 31 by 7. Then we will convert it to a mixed fraction as 7 4s are 28, 4 3 by 7. Instead of doing the entire procedure, we can simplify this problem like this. First, imagine if the numerator is bigger than the denominator or smaller than the denominator. Here in our case, the numerator is less than the denominator. So what we need to do is subtract 1 from the previous number. In our case, 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. Then identify the difference between denominator and numerator. What is the difference? 7 and 4? 3 divided by 7. Simple. Instead of doing the entire process, we will simplify this. Let us see example one more time. Whenever a problem is given to you in such a manner and you identified that the numerator is less than denominator, how to simplify this? First, subtract 1 from the digit. That is 5 minus 1, in our case 4. Now in this case, identify the difference between numerator and denominator in the fraction. That difference divided by denominator will give you the answer. Let us see second example. If a problem is given to you like this: 7 minus 1 by 8. In this case, again here in this case, numerator is less than denominator. So what we do? Subtract 1 from 7, so it becomes 6. What is the difference between 1 and 8? The difference is 7 divided by 8. So this is our answer. Similarly, let us take the second example where the denominator is more than the numerator. Now what we do in this case? For example, if somebody asks you a question like this: 120 minus 15 by 4. If you need to simplify this, what you need to do is first identify how many times 15 will be cancelled with multiples of 4. So we know that 4 into 3 is 12, but 15 is not sufficient. So what we need to do? Let us take the next level. So 4 into 4, 16. So 16 we have identified. How many times? 4 times it is being multiplied. So this 4 into 4, 16. Subtract 4 from 1220, previous number, that is minus 4. So it becomes 1116. 16 minus 15, what is the difference? 1 by 4. This is how we'll solve. I repeat the concept once again. Whenever the denominator is lesser than the numerator or the numerator is bigger than the denominator case, we need to identify how many times the denominator will be multiplied or cancelled with the numerator. That we need to identify. Always take more value than the numerator. So 4 into 4, 16. Okay. So this 4 to be subtracted from the previous number. So it becomes, in our case, 1220 minus 4, it became 1116. Now 16, but the required value here is 15. So what is the difference? 1 by denominator. Okay. Now let us see one more example to get more idea. Okay. Let us see the second example here. For example, 1212 divided by 17 divided by 4. If you say 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, right? Now what we need to do? Subtract this 5 from 1212. What it is? So 1212 minus 5. It became 1207, right? 1207. Now 20 and 17. What is the difference? 3 by 4. So answer is 1207 3 by 4. This is how we will solve the questions basing on the subtractions if the numerator is lesser than the denominator or bigger than the denominator case. Okay, now let us see a problem based on this so that we will get an idea. Let us see the first problem. It says 1200 minus 515 by 4 plus 25. If this problem is given to you and if you need to solve this question, what you need to do is 1200 plus 25, 1225 minus 5, it become 1220 minus 15 by 4. So in this case, what we need to do? Denominator is, the numerator is greater than the denominator. That means second case. What we need to do? Identify how many times the numerator will be cancelled with the denominator. So 4 fours are 16 is the answer. So subtract 4 from 1220, it became 1116. Then difference is 16 minus 15, that is 1 by 4. This is how answer is done. Let us take another example. That is 37 1 by 2 minus 23 7 by 24 minus 2 5 by 6. So if you want to answer this particular question, 37 minus 23, it is 14. 14 minus 12, it is 12. Now, if you see these values, 1 by 2 minus 7 by 24 minus 5 by 6. So what is the LCM of 2, 24 and 6? It is 24. So it is 12 minus 7 minus 20 because 6 into 4, 24 into 5 is. So the 12 comes here as it is. So 12, this is 27 and 12. So 12 minus 15 by 24. So this is the case where numerator is less than the denominator. In such cases, what we will be doing? Subtract 1 from the integer, that is 11. Identify the difference between numerator and denominator. The difference here is 9 divided by denominator. This is the case. Otherwise, in sometimes what people will do is we will cancel it. 3 5s are 3 8s are. In this case, what will be the answer? 11 3 by 8. This both are equal. Okay, so this is how we will solve the questions based on the subtraction models. Now, similarly, let us see if there is a mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? It is the sum and multiplication. Both are provided. Okay. Now let us talk about how to solve the questions based on mixed fraction. Okay. So how to solve this mixed fraction? Let us take an example. 5 2 by 49 plus 5 3 by 98, then 15 2 by 7 minus 25 3 by 14. If you need to answer this question, first step, identify the normal digits first. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 15, 25 minus 25, 0. So here nothing. Now here in this case, 2 by 49 plus 3 by 98 plus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 14. Now the LCM is 98. So this is 2 2s are 4. 98 goes in 98 one time, 1 into 3, 3. Then 98 in 7s, 7 14s. 14 2s are 28. 14 7 times, so 21. So 21 and 28, 49, 52 plus 4. It is, what is the answer? 14 in 98, 7 times, right? 7 threes are 21. This is minus symbol, sorry. This is minus symbol. So 28 plus 3, 31 plus 4, 35 minus 21, that is 14 by 98. This is simplified as 1 by 7. This is how we will be solving the mixed fractions. Okay. Similarly, let us see the problems based on multiplication. Again, how to solve multiplication based questions in fractions. So here, let us take a problem. 1 8 by 13 into 62 by 3 divided by 2 plus 97 plus 79. If you are asked to calculate this value, how we are going to solve this? 13 ones are 13 plus 8, it is 21 by 13 into 3 into 60, 180 plus 2, 182 by 3. This divide, if you go, it becomes into 1 by 2 plus 97 and 79. It becomes 7 plus 9, 16, 10, 7, 176. Now, if you take the value, 13 ones are 13 14s, 182, 3 ones are 3 sevens are, then 2 ones, 2 sevens. So it is 49 plus 176. So the answer is 225. Okay. Now there is a second kind of problem where generally will be tested. Say 99 42 by 99 into 49. Okay. The moment we see what we generally do when we are converting 49 into 99 plus 42 divided by 49 into 49 we do. Okay. Anyway, 49 goes cancel. This we can express it as 49 into 100 minus 1 plus 42. Instead of doing this step, we should directly go to this particular step directly to clear the problem. So 49 into 100, again 49 minus 49 plus 42. So 4900 minus 49 plus 42, the answer is minus 7. So 4893 will become the answer for us. Imagine if the same problem is given to you like this. If the same problem is given to you like this, 999 42 divided by 49 into 49. What we need to do directly straight away? 42 into 1000 minus 1 plus 42. Or you can directly say, sorry, 49 it is. So 49,000 minus 49 plus 42. So this is 49,000 minus 7. So it becomes 48,000 for 993. That is how we'll solve the multiplication based questions. Generally, sometimes what you will be asked to calculate is there is another set of problem will be given to you to test your time. 99 13 by 16 into 4 plus 999 15 by 16 into 4 plus 4 nines 9999 11 by 16 into 4. Again, this is also nothing to bother. So here what we'll be doing? So 1600. Anyway, we know 4 ones, 4 fours. So 1600 minus 16 plus 13 by 4. And here in our case, 16,000. This is 16,000 minus 16 into 15. 16,000 minus 16 plus 5 divided by 4 plus here 16 4 zeros minus 16 plus 11 by 4. Anyway, 4 cancels. So this is how we will be simplifying the questions. So based on the fractions, addition we have seen, subtraction we have seen, multiplications we have seen. So this brings us the end of the simplification kind of models. Now the next topic that we see is problems based on averages. We will see all the techniques and shortcut along with the concept on how to solve the questions. Okay, guys. So till then, have a great day.